guys, it's me. So, for today's video, I am gonna teach you how to reset your remote control if it's not working. Let's get started! First step, you need to take out the battery. So, now we need to take out this too. So if you take it out, we are now gonna proceed to second step. So we are gonna start into the first button. Guys, press it and hold and count 1, 2, 3.
A few moments later.
Guys, after you press it all the button, we are gonna now put the battery in the remote control. So, let's go now. Put inside the battery in the remote control. And now put this again. And now we are checking, guys, if this is working. Wow! So we are now gonna try it. We got a light inside of this. It worked. So let's go now. Now let's try it if it's working. It worked! You see, guys, there's a red shining. See that? But it looks like orange in the camera. Look like dark orange or dark red. So I hope you learn this, how to set your remote control. So I hope you like my videos. So don't forget to like and share and subscribe and hit the notification bell to see some update videos. I love you all, guys. Stay at home.